Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into Gemini AI, Google's powerful AI assistant, and how you can use it right inside your favorite Google workspace like Docs, Drive, Gmail, Sheets, and more. So if you want to boost your productivity, write faster, summarize quicker, and get AI help without leaving your files, stick around because I will show you exactly how to use Gemini step by step. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI and productivity tutorials. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to talk about what actually is Gemini AI. So Gemini is a Google next generation artificial intelligence built right into Workspace. Think of it as your smart assistant helping you brainstorm, write, edit, analyze, and automate tasks directly in Google Docs, Gmail, Sheets, and more. It is like having ChatGPT but inside your Google files, so you don't have to copy and paste between tools. Now let's talk about how to access Gemini AI. So if you has a Google account access, you will see Gemini feature as button of sidebars. In Google's, look for the help me write button. Like let's go to the docs here. Let's open a new tab, and from that place I will go to the docs. So let's find it out. Where is the docs? Here you can see it. If I click over here, now you just need to look over any place. Like let's open a blank options, and here we will get to see that wants to help from Google. So I'll click over here and then let's find it out. Look for help me write button. So here you will get the option for help me write button. If not, then you just need to update it. So I'll click over here and then let's see does it available in here. Help me write button. Right, and let's hit enter, and here actually you will get to see. So it is not available in here, but you will get this one in that place. So this is really amazing. It will help you to write your description or whatever you want to add it. You can add the extension also, Gemini AI. Then in the Gmail you will see help me write or help me reply when you compose an email. Then in Sheet look for smart field suggestions, and there's also a Gemini sidebar. You can open border task also. So now let's talk about next step, that is using Gemini AI in Google Docs. So let's start with Google Docs. You just need to open a blank document, and you just need to click over here. Let's say we are going to write anything. Here you can see this is the options. Just click to the more, and once you click over here you will get a couple of things: building blocks, email draft, communications, meeting, and project management, and contact list. So you can create this kind of things. So I will write, hi, if you love this video, if you love this video, don't forget to like. And here let's wait a bit, and here you will get to see the options for help me to write options. So let's find it out. So here I will ask, hey, how I can connect Google Docs with this Gemini AI. Let's hit enter, and here you will get to see within a second how you can apply it with your access. So here you can see you just need to open any computer, open any document, and look for Ask Gemini icon. So here you just need to find it out the icon. Here you will get Gemini AI. So I think from that place I will try to do it. So you will get an Ask Gemini icon in here. It is not available in here unfortunately. So I will try to add it here. Get add-ons, and in the add-ons I am going to search Gemini, and let's hit enter. Let's see, no, it is not available. So I think there's a problem with our docs, but when you are using the brand new version you will get to see that one. Now let's talk about using Gemini AI in Gmail. So if you just click on compose to start a new email like that way, just go to this one Gmail and click over that place, and here you will able to see this one So you just need to click on Compose. Once you click over here, you will get help from the Gemini AI. Like you can see that if you write something, you will get help me write options, and you just need to type your need. For example, applies for a late response and asks schedule a meeting. Gemini writes a polite draft for you. You can tweak the tone, make it more formal or casual, add more detail, or rewrite it completely. And when you are happy, just hit send, and it is a huge time saver for daily emails. Now let's talk about the using Gemini AI in Google Sheets. So Gemini can also help Google Sheets. One powerful tool is Smart Fill. Gemini searches for formulas and fills data for you. For example, type a few entries in a column, click the suggested autofill. Gemini predicts the pattern and complete it. You can also ask Gemini to create custom formula. For instance, calculate sales tax for this column. It generates the right formula, so you don't have to write it yourself. Now let's talk about using Gemini AI in Google Drive. Inside Google Drive, Gemini can help you find and summarize files. In the sidebar, like you just need to type natural questions like show me last month's invoice or find my notes from the team meeting. Gemini understands what you mean and show the right files faster than manual search. You can also preview a doc and click summarize to get a quick rundown of what's inside. Super useful for long reports or meeting notes. Now let me give you a couple of tips for using Gemini AI effectively. So here are a few pro tips to get the best result with Gemini AI. Be clear and specific with your prompts. The better your request, the better Gemini's output. Always review the AI works, double check facts, and tweak the wording to match your style. Experiment, try rewriting, expanding, or summarizing different kinds of text. Use Gemini to handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on what really matters. Now let me give you final thoughts and how to get Gemini. So right now Gemini is rolling out gradually. Some features may require a Google Workspace or Workspace plan with Gemini's access or a special add-on. Check your Workspace admin setting or talk to us organize. If you don't see the help me write option yet, if you do have it, start using it today. The more you try it, the more time you will save every day. So that's it for today. Now you know how you can use Gemini AI with Google Workspace like a pro. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how are you planning to use Gemini AI. Thanks for watching.